Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taste testing a MRE. This is a Menu 23 pepperoni pizza slice that was picked out by the kids. I have a special guest, my niece here. She came in for the summer and is going to stay a little bit, so we decided to do a video together. We're going to get some reactions from them today and see how they like an MRE. They have never had one before, so this is their first one that they're going to try. I hope it tastes as good as I think it will. We're going to open it. So.
This You excited? Yeah.
Alright, so the first thing we got is apple, strawberry, and carrot fruit puree squeeze. So this is a big squeeze pouch. Next thing we have a pepperoni pizza and cheese sauce. And then in here we have some toilet paper.
Toilet paper?
Yeah. Some salt. A moist towel.
Moist towel?
A cinnamon bubble gum. Then we have some sweetener, some sugar. I think there's probably some coffee in there.
I'm not going to drink the coffee. Nobody's going to drink the coffee.
Nobody.
Alright, the next one is an oatmeal cookie. You like oatmeal cookies?
I don't want it.
Alright, then we have a vegetable cracker. And then we have a chocolate protein drink powder. So this is like chocolate powder, like a chocolate milk kind of. And then the one I'm looking forward to is the cheese spread with jalapenos. What else we got here? This is a lemonade drink mix. A spoon. And this is what's called a flameless ration eater. So we're gonna actually put our pizza in here, and then we're gonna pour water in it, and this right here heats up our food for us. It's like a microwave in a bag.
Okay, that is cool.
Yeah, so we'll try it out. We add some water, and we fill it to this line right here. So you fill to the line. So here's what we're going to do. We got some water here. You pour it in there.
I get the pizza.
Where's it at? I don't know.
I'm good.
Oh, it's actually right there on the line. So,
Here's the pizza.
alright.
Pizza sauce.
So what it does is it starts to heat up. Get all of it wet. Feel it.
Oh, it's
Oh.
Feel it now.
hot.
Isn't that hot? So now what we do is we get our pizza.
Who did
We're gonna
it?
fold it up.
Is everybody going to try a bite of the open cookie?
Yes, everybody's going to try a bite of everything.
Where's Gail?
So the instructions say to put it on a rock. We don't have one of those, so we're going to find something to put it on. And we'll set this aside. And we'll let it heat up. And then let's try something else. So let's try. You want to try this?
Kinda. It's carrot, an apple, and strawberry.
I bet it's good though. Let me see your spoon.
I want to try it. I want to
Try it.
That is not bad, but it is. It's
I
That spoon, you want to use this one?
Oh, this is what I have.
For this one. No, I have this crackle.
All right.
It is disgusting.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's about to like that.
That's not too bad. Apple, strawberry, and carrot fruit puree squeeze. 2 out of 4 like it, so not bad. All right, is this done yet? Feel how hot that is.
Oh, I feel it.
I feel like it's gonna catch on fire.
No. That's pretty hot though. We'll try the main course now. Smells like cardboard. What do you smell it?
Ew!
I'll feel it.
That smells terrible.
Oh no.
Everything right now is terrible.
Look.
Oh, what is that?
All right. We're gonna try it. Everybody try a bite.
That's not bad.
What do you think?
Good. Kind of.
Would you eat it again? Okay, so 2 out of 4 again like the pizza, but it wasn't the same 2 people. So, all right. You good now? We'll put this over here. Let's try the cracker.
We don't have to warm up the crackers.
No.
Oh, it's like ginormous.
Is it green?
No. Oh, there's 2 of them.
Look, this is just like a cracker you put in your chili,
Ooh.
but it's just way bigger. Everybody grab a piece. All right, tell me what you think. This is the vegetable cracker.
I love it.
You like it?
Me too.
How many thumbs up do you give it? 2 thumbs up.
I would make it a triple.
2 thumbs up. You would make it a triple if you had
It just needs extra salt.
See
extra
it.
salt, yeah.
That's good.
Let's see this. What about, we have some cheese spread to put on it. So maybe that'll make it a little bit better.
So it's a lot spicy.
Just a tiny bit of it.
Okay.
I want it on mine.
I have the water right here.
Okay.
I want no.
That's not bad.
You like it? The cheese spread, I
That was
like
good.
it. I do like the cheese spread. It is really good. Nora, what do you like it?
It was about like 50 out of 100.
50 out of 100? Well, we tried the cheese spread with jalapenos. We tried the crackers. So far, is the crackers your favorite?
Yes.
You like the crackers the
I
most?
like the crowd.
All right, we like the crackers the most. What was your least favorite?
My least favorite was the cracker.
The pizza and the first thing we tried.
Oh, the apple.
Yeah, the apple
Squeeze
thing
pouch.
and the pizza was the.
That's
I
not the
like that.
best.
The apple was the
This
worst.
is
That was the.
Hey, this is sugary.
Yeah.
This one got lemon and then. No, not my. I kind of want to actually.
Everyone's gonna try it. You ready?
I want to warm it up just a little bit.
Okay, we can do that.
Well, let me get my.
Let's open this and see what all's in here while we wait on the cookie.
Okay. No more, okay?
Oh.
So
No, we had to open this.
we got 0-calorie sweetener, and we have real sugar. We have some
Oh, here's coffee.
toilet paper.
Coffee.
Ooh, there you go. Freeze-dried coffee as creamer. So this is what you put in your coffee also.
And we also have some.
That's some cinnamon gum. We got a little packet of salt, and then we have a moist towelette. We have all that in. You want to try the gum? Okay. Tell me what you think.
I love it. It's too spicy. It's really too spicy.
Where's the trash can?
Here, just. All right, I'm gonna take mine out too.
Once you take it out, once
You like it?
Once
So you
have
like the gum?
Oh, wait until you get to the bottom of it.
Now, you feel that?
Hot there. Can I cut it?
Oh, I thought it was like the icing. Like one of the oatmeal cream pie.
No, it's a cookie.
How about what's mine?
I want to try mine. I want to try mine.
All right.
How about?
I was really excited about that, but I thought it was one of those oatmeal cream pies.
It's really messy. I would say it's the messiest thing we've eaten so far.
That's a good cookie.
Let's see.
Who likes it?
All right, who likes it?
If it was an oatmeal cream pie, it would be better.
But did you like it though?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Did you like the oatmeal cookie?
What should we add to this? What should we?
Not very much. Did you like the oatmeal cookie?
Yeah.
You did? So 3 people like the oatmeal cookie. Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is the lemonade beverage base. All right, pour it in there. All right, perfect. All right, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's looks just like lemonade. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Who wants to take the first drink?
Me.
You said it first.
And I said second. No, I said second. Sour.
Is it?
Not very sour.
It's not very sour.
Yeah. No, I like it. I like it too.
That's pretty good.
Really?
I like it.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
I like it.
You like it? All right. So what do we think about the lemonade? Pretty good.
Yeah,
You like it?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
2
2 thumbs up. All right. We'll put that over here. If we want more, we'll get some. So what else do we have left? We've had everything except for this, right? So for the last one, we have the chocolate protein drink powder, and all you do is you pour it directly into the bag.
Yeah. Pour it into there. Ooh.
It almost looks like a shake.
It got really thick, right?
I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna like it. Tastes like chocolate milk. But with a lot of chocolate. So that's good.
I got some of like the bits of it in there.
Yeah. It doesn't dissolve very good.
Now you try.
Let me try it.
Yeah, try.
That's really chocolatey.
Now let's try that.
Yeah.
That's a lot of chocolate. Woo! That's really sugary.
Make me wake up, baby, make up, baby, make me wake up.
I can try those.
Okay, so we had everything in the menu 23 pizza slice pepperoni. And what was your favorite thing out of all that was in it?
Cracker with cheese.
Cracker with cheese. What was yours?
The lemonade.
Lemonade. What was yours?
A cookie.
The cookie.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody liked something different. My favorite was probably, I like the crackers a lot, and then I kind of like the puree, the squeeze pouch. I like that one a lot too. So thanks for watching this video, and happy 4th of July. This is kind of a tribute to America and eating military rations from the United States military. Go ahead.
Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this video.